Fire! There's a fire in the engine room.
Reporting fire to the bridge. We have a fire in the engine room.
Bridge to master, we have a report of a fire in the engine room.
Okay, proceed with firefighting. Gather all available resources.
Right now rigging up
Fire is getting worse. We can't control it.
Master, the fire cannot be controlled. We need to take further action.
Okay, understood. Prepare to abandon ship. OOW, initiate the distress signal broadcast to all vessel.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Calapan, MV Calapan, MV Calapan. Call sign, Delta, Echo, Lima, Tango, Alpha. MMSI 245876004. Position 27 degree 00 minutes north, 052 degree 00 minutes east. By vessel is on par. My vessel is on par. We have a 20 crew member. We have launched 4 lifeboat with 5 crew members on it. I require immediate assistance. I repeat, I require immediate assistance. Over.